Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can download NTE game and PC. So first of all, head over to your browser and then type in nte.perfectworld.com. Once done, you will get to its official page. Now in here, you will see PC download and other platforms. Select PC download. Once you click PC download, it will be downloaded and it will be downloaded a exe file. Once it has been downloaded, launch your exe file. And it will look something like this. Now here, select a language and select OK. Now wait for a while till this exe file gets completely installed in your PC. Now here, select Start Install. Then select Agree and Install. This might take a while depending upon your Wi-Fi connection. And once it has been downloaded, you may go ahead and launch it. Just like so guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.